ScotRail is replacing its iconic high-speed trains, but instead of buying brand new ones, they're bringing in refurbished trains from elsewhere, and not everyone is convinced this is a good idea. ScotRail has confirmed it will replace its Inter-7 city fleet, better known as the HSTs. These trains operate long-distance routes between Edinburgh, Glasgow, Aberdeen and Inverness, forming the backbone of Scotland's intercity rail network. But over the next few years, they'll be phased out and replaced by 22 refurbished British Rail Class 222 trains. The high-speed trains, or HSTs, are some of the most iconic trains in the UK. Originally introduced in the 1970s, they completely transformed long-distance rail travel with higher speeds and improved comfort. ScotRail introduced them in 2018 as part of its Inter-7 city project, refurbishing older sets to extend their life, and passengers actually liked them. They offered comfortable seating, good views and a classic feel, but despite their popularity, their age is starting to show. The biggest issue is maintenance. HSTs are now the oldest trains in ScotRail's fleet, and keeping them running is becoming increasingly expensive as trains get older. Parts become harder to find, repairs take longer, reliability starts to drop, and for a modern rail network, reliability is critical. There have also been operational challenges reported, meaning delays and disruptions can become more likely over time. So even though passengers like them, they're no longer practical long-term to replace them. ScotRail will introduce the British Rail Class 222. These trains were built in the early 2000s and are capable of running at speeds of up to 125 miles per hour, similar to HSTs. They've been used by other EMR and are now being transferred for use in Scotland. But here's the part that makes this story interesting. These trains aren't new. Instead, they're being heavily refurbished before entering service. That means ScotRail is choosing to upgrade existing trains rather than invest in completely new ones. And that raises a big question. Is this a smart, cost-effective move or a compromise? The refurbishment program is significant, worth around £80 million. The trains will receive completely redesigned interiors, new seating and layouts, improved Wi-Fi, including satellite connectivity, modern passenger information systems, better accessibility features, space for bikes, luggage, and families. The idea is to make these older trains feel like modern ones, improving comfort and usability for passengers. Overall, the project is worth around £147 million. With support from the Scottish Government, there's also a long-term maintenance agreement in place, ensuring these trains can be supported for years to come. So this isn't just a quick fix, it's a major investment in Scotland's rail network. The rollout will take time. First units arrive for training in early 2027. Passenger services begin later that year, full rollout completed by the end of 2028. So while these trains will offer better features and improved reliability, they're still not brand new. And with rail networks moving toward greener, more advanced technology, some people may question whether refurbished diesel trains are the right long-term solution. On the other hand, this approach is faster and cheaper, meaning improvements can be delivered sooner. So ScotRail is replacing its oldest trains with refurbished ones, but the real question is, will passengers actually notice the difference? Drop your thoughts in the